Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it's your boy Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader. You know what time it is. Time for another video. Time for my hot pick of the day. But before we get into that, don't forget, help me out by smashing those buttons. That's right. Be sure to like my videos. Also, make comments on them. Subscribe to the channel and also hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new videos, some new content, you'll be rocking and rolling right there with me, getting those hot picks. All right, let's get into it. Time for my hot pick of the day. It's all good. Today's hot pick of the day is on the ticker OLLI. That's Olli's Bargain Outlet.
Olli's! Good stuff, cheap!
I'm not exactly sure what it is. I think it's along the line of like Ross, 5 and below. Well, Ollie's had its earning after hours today, and thanks to its adjusted EPS of 41 cents on revenue of 327.05 million, these are both better than Wall Street's estimate of 38 cents per share and 322.53 million. That's right. Let's see what else went on with Ollie's earnings report. Adjusted per share earnings for the quarter are up 28.12% from 32 cents in the third quarter of 2018. Revenue is up 15.32%, higher than the 283.61 million reported during the same time last year. Operating income of 35.73 million is 21.99% higher than the year-on-year 29.29 million. Yes, Ollie's Bargain Outlet earnings report also had a net income coming in at 26.96 million. That's an 8.62 boost over the company's net income of 24.82 million from the same period last year. So beating expectations, doing very well with its earnings and outlooks. I think that's why Ollie's is popping up. But as always, as technical traders, we have to go to the charts and see what's going on with my hot pick of the day. That's OLLI, Ollie's. All right, as you can see from the charts, let's mark it up real quick for you. This is the daily chart that we usually start with. Ollie's Bargain Outlet was at a high of about 103.03 back in May 28th or so, and has just been on this steady decline and actually probably gapped down. This was probably an earnings play as well, from this area of 75 all the way to a low of 53. Did a double bottom, popped back up, tested this 67 area, then was creeping back down to almost create a triple bottom, but got a boost in the earnings. So let's see where it is. Let's take a closer look at Ollie's. As you can see, it popped up from about 60 bucks, 60.30. It closed out, popped up almost 10 bucks to 69.57. So on the intraday, let me put those fibs in for you. We can see if we mark off this 60, 65 all the way to 69, 57, 50% is about 65 bucks, and this retracement level is respecting it at 67.46. It's kind of just popping its head on it, but doesn't want to break over yet. So we got to watch these levels intraday tomorrow. Maybe this test of 65.11 for a bounce and a move up to test these highs at 69, or it just may fall back down depending. People want to take their profits or go long on it. On the bigger scale, you can see this 67.84 is a gap fill. This area right here I highlighted. So if it can break into the 67.84 area, there's a gap fill up to the 74.76 for Ollie. So that's a definite level you want to watch. As you can see, not much volume here for the past year. So if this thing gets over the 67.84, this thing could rip to 74.76. That's if. You got to watch out for those false breakouts over 67.84, because it will pop you and trap you and then dump on you. But you just gotta watch out for it and size correctly as you always do, and manage your risk on it. So that 67.84 is a definite watch. Let's look at the 67.84 daily fibs on this intraday chart. You can see 67.84 is right here, right above it. So it's kind of just hanging out at the lip of the gap. So we definitely want to watch this 67.84, and then this 68.43 is the 50% retracement on this gap down on earnings it had back in September, I believe. So want to watch out for that. But it's above all these moving averages except the 200, which is all the way up here at $78. So we wouldn't have to worry about that. We could get the gap fill and still have room to run. So definitely want to watch these levels tomorrow, especially this 67.84 for a gap fill, or maybe a reject back down and test this 65 area. It's real simple, real easy on these plays. All deliberate and obvious entries. I can call these out all day for you, but it's just how you trade them. Whether you see it going long, whether you see it going short, whether you size correctly and don't get stopped out, it all depends on how you trade your strategy. I can just tell you the levels to trade off of it, and that's the best I can do, and that's the best I can do for myself. So it's all good. And yep, that's it. my tech analysis on my hot pick of the day, the ticker OLLI. That's Ollie's Bargain. All right, there you go. That was my hot pick of the day on the ticker OLLI, Ollie's Bargain Outlet. Now, check it out. It takes a lot to get these videos done every single day for you, but I love to do them, and I love to grow as a trader with you guys out there as we grow my channel. Definitely just help me out. 3 clicks of the mouse can do that. That's right. All you got to do, click number 1 is like the video. Click number 2, subscribe to the channel. Click number 3, hit that bell notification. Anytime I put up some new content, some new videos, you'll be right there with me with those hot picks, the rewinds, and also the pre-market playlist and all the good stuff I got coming up. Also, don't forget, clicking the link if you want to donate. I got my donation tab. If you find value in my videos, feel free to donate. You know what I'm saying? 'Tis the season.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
If you want to trade with low risk and no PDT, I also got a link in the description for you. Also for our little chat room we have and all that good stuff. Just look in the description below for all that good stuff. All right, time for me to head on up and out the door. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, signing out, reminding you, plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.